How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So if you want to withdraw money from Tonkeeper, then what you need to do is first open up your Tonkeeper application. And once you open here, you will have an option of buy and sell. You just need to simply tap on buy and sell. And then we're going to go ahead and sell this. So simply go with the sell option. Under sell, you will have the sell ton, right? So under sell ton, you will have all of the options. So you can simply go with show all. And here you might have 2 or 3 options. So the one is Mercurio. Mercurio is for withdrawing your profit to your credit card. And if you have another option, which is Dreamwalkers, that is for the debit card. So you can withdraw instantly from the Dreamwalkers. So for example, if you have the Dreamwalkers, then you just need to simply tap on it and then tap on open Dreamwalker, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Or the Even Change is also connected to the bank card instantly. Then simply tap on the option and then go with open. As you can see that I don't have any sufficient funds right now, but if you have some ton coins here, you can just simply input the desired value you want to withdraw and then choose from the currency options below. Afterwards, then just confirm it and you'll be able to convert the amount to your bank account in the following day. So that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from Tonkeeper. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.